What's up, guys? Today we're going to be opening up my PC that I got for Christmas, and it's called the Dark Flash. It's a really good PC. Let's get into it.
Okay, so the dude's got the Armoury. It's an Armoury DY470. It's a gaming desktop. AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D with an RXT 5080. 64 gigabytes DDR5, 4 terabytes SSD, Wi-Fi 7, and it's got a 360, and he's breaking things already, and 360 AOI, and it's got Windows 11 Home in it. So it's a pretty good computer for gaming. We had old ones that were like from somewhere between 2012 and 2015, and they can't keep up to the modern games. So here we go. We're going to be opening up the new gaming PC here too. We'll also be looking at a new monitor from Dell. It's an Alienware, and speakers, mouse, and he's already got a good keyboard. So we got to flip the box upside down. The trick is not to break your computer here. Oh. And then we'll just flip it back the other way.
And you take off these side parts.
Here, I'll put it on this side.
And now you want to unbox this plastic wrap. Make a little tear. Unravel it.
Pull it and then I'll push.
Oh boy. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this protective foam very carefully. Okay, now we'll put the glass panel back in. Okay, gently put the screws back in.
Is that a manual in there? What?
Oh yeah.
Manual.
That's kind of weird. Shoot.
Oh, I think you want to get that out?
Yeah, they shouldn't have left that in there.
Yeah.
Okay, we see some paper in there. That's probably a fire hazard.
Yeah, because if this thing overheats, it's going to go...
Oh, almost had it there. Oh, I do have it. Holy smokes, looks like we got it. As long as it doesn't rip. No, we're getting halfway. I think we got it. Getting there. Oop.
Be very careful in here. Okay.